In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your first app in Softr from start to finish, covering everything you need to create a functional web application without writing a single line of code. Softr is one of the most accessible no-code platforms out there, turning pre-built templates and drag-and-drop blocks into real, working web apps that can connect to your data sources like Airtable or Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Begin by logging into your Softr account, and once you're in, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Applications section. Click on Applications to access your project dashboard, which is essentially your command center where all of your app building projects live. From here, you'll want to click the Create Application button to start something new. Softr will then present you with a gallery of templates designed for different use cases like membership portals, client dashboards, or internal tools. If you're brand new to the platform, I strongly recommend starting with a template rather than a blank canvas, because templates give you a head start with pre-configured pages and blocks that you can simply tweak, but you can absolutely choose a blank application if you prefer to build from scratch and learn every piece along the way. Once you've selected your starting point, the next step is to give your application a meaningful name so it's easy to identify later among your projects. This is a small but important organizational habit, especially as you build more apps. After naming it, Softr will drop you directly into the editor, which is where the real magic happens. Take a moment to orient yourself. The editor is divided into a left sidebar for navigation, a central canvas where you see your app taking shape, and a right sidebar for customization options. Now click on Pages in the left sidebar to manage your app structure. You'll need to create the pages that make sense for your project, such as a home page, an about page, a contact page, or perhaps a dashboard if your app requires user login. One of the best parts of Softr is that you can always add more pages later as your application grows, so don't feel pressured to get everything perfect right now. With your pages set up, click into a page to begin adding content. Look for the plus button, usually found at the bottom or side of the canvas, and click it to see the block library. This is where you choose from headers, feature sections, forms, galleries, FAQs, testimonials, team sections, lists, and many other layout options. Each block serves a specific purpose. For example, a header block is great for your main title and subtitle, while a feature section can highlight 3 key benefits of your product or service. When you select a block, it instantly appears on your page, and you can customize it by editing the text, uploading your own images, changing button labels, and adjusting design settings in the right sidebar. Drag and drop to rearrange blocks so your page flows logically, making it easy for users to navigate from one section to the next. Now, if your application needs to display dynamic content, like a list of team members, a product catalog, or user data, you'll want to connect a data source. Head over to the Integration section in the left sidebar, where Softr supports popular options like Airtable and Google Sheets. This step is what transforms your app from a static website into a true web application. Once connected, you can link your blocks to pull in live data, meaning when you update your Airtable base or spreadsheet, your app updates automatically. This is incredibly powerful for things like client directories, inventory lists, or project trackers. Just make sure your data source is structured with clear column names and consistent formatting, because Softr will map those fields directly into your blocks. Continue building by customizing your navigation menu, which you can edit from the settings area. Update your application's colors, fonts, and overall theme to match your brand or personal style. Consistency is key here. Use the same color palette and typography across all pages to create a professional, polished appearance. You can also add any additional pages or sections as inspiration strikes. As you work, keep your first application simple and resist the urge to add too many features at once. The goal is to get something functional and learn the core workflow. Then you can expand later. When you're finished building, click the preview button to test your application in a live-like environment. This is your chance to walk through every page, click every button, submit test form entries, and ensure navigation links actually go where they should. Pay close attention to any forms you've added, making sure they capture data correctly, and check that dynamic content from your data source displays as expected. Frequent previewing is a best practice I cannot recommend enough, because catching a small error now is much easier than fixing it after you've published. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, publish your app to make it available online. Softr will give you a shareable link that you can send to users or even connect to a custom domain if you have one. Congratulations, you've just built your first no-code application in Softr. This entire process has shown you how templates, blocks, and integrations come together to create something real and functional without writing code. As a next step, consider exploring more advanced features like user authentication, permissions, or recurring payments. But for now, take pride in what you've accomplished. If you need to revisit any of these steps, feel free to save this video or come back anytime. Thanks for watching and happy building.